Hi and welcome to MRTV Business. The corona crisis is affecting all of us, and it's also affecting companies. Whole production lines are standing still because the experts that are needed to maintain machines might not be able to fly in because of the travel restrictions. In this video, I'm going to give you a case study how I helped one of my consulting clients keep the production lines rolling by using remote assistance using the Realwear HMT 1. And all of this is coming up. Hi and welcome to MRTV Business. My name is Sebastian, and this channel is dedicated to showing you how spatial computing, how VR and AR can actually help you and your company optimize workflows and therefore save money. If you have any more questions about anything that I'm showing you here in the video, simply get in touch with me. The contact details are down in the description below. Alright, at the beginning of this video, I have one question for you. Do you still fly in the experts that maintain your machines to keep them running? If you answered this question in the affirmative, I would like to ask you, why do you do so? Because this is really not efficient at all, and now during the corona crisis you will see that actually it is not even possible, and there's so many options to help you do this remotely, and one I would like to show you today using this here, the Realwear HMT 1. I recently had a big client here in Germany, and this client is producing plastic caps for sanitizing sprays. So a very relevant company right now, actually a system relevant company, how we call them here in Germany. And this company had one big problem. They had this new machine, but they couldn't run this machine because the expert who was supposed to show them everything and to run this machine for the first time and then maintain it was not able to come from Denmark to Germany because of the travel restrictions. So therefore the company got in touch with me to help them use modern technologies to solve that problem. I went into the company, showed them the different solutions, and then within 1 week they had the machine running, and they're running it still, and they saved lots of money because every single day that this machine was not running, the company was losing hundreds of thousands of dollars. So in this case, we used this here, the Realwear HMT 1, to make this remote assistance happen. And I'm going to tell you a bit more about this solution here right now. So remote assistance, how actually would it work? Well, on site at the machine, you have one of your engineers wear a headset. This might be an augmented reality headset like the HoloLens 2 or HoloLens 1, or something like the Realwear HMT 1. And these devices, they have cameras built in. So you look at the machine, and then off-site, for example, in this case in Denmark, the specialist sees exactly what you see, and he can annotate whatever he sees, so whatever the engineer on site sees, and then the engineer on site can actually use the machine. So in this case, why would I use the Realwear HMT 1, and what kind of device is this actually? So actually, something like the HoloLens, which costs $3,500, might be overkill, and you might even not need all the functions that this device has. Also, you might know that the HoloLens 2 is really hard to get. So today I'm showing you the Realwear HMT 1. This is actually some kind of industry standard because, well, it's available, it's cheaper, and it does everything that you need for remote assistance. So the Realwear HMT 1 was going to set you back $2,000. Also not cheap, but it can really do a lot of things that you would actually need, and it's made for industry cases. All right, let's talk about the Realwear HMT 1 and why actually this is like one of the most liked industry solutions right now. So first of all, it is available. You can get it if you want, and HMT stands for head-mounted tablet. So this is actually not like an augmented reality headset like this, where like virtual images are like put into your vision. No, for this here, my vision is completely the same like before, but if I want, I look into this little visor here, and what do I see? I see a 7-inch tablet display. So a tablet, an Android tablet display, and if you had been working with tablets before on site, then you can use that software, that Android software, and you can run those APKs on this tablet here. And the great thing is you have the worker, they have their hands free, and if they need to look on the tablet, they simply look down onto this visor here and they will see that display. This device is also great for remote assistance because we have a microphone built in, of course, and here a camera, and this camera supports autofocus. So if you look at something, the things will get into focus and you don't have a blurry picture at the other side. Like for example, in this case, it was in Denmark and the expert in Denmark could help with what the engineer here in Germany on site had to do. So the expert in Denmark, he saw that video feed coming in from here and he could annotate whatever he saw with the software, with the remote assistance software. So that was really amazing. And again, the machines, they are running now. And thanks to this solution, the machines can produce those caps for these sanitizing bottles. Another interesting aspect about the Realwear HMT1 is that actually you can wear this with a hard hat. So you don't need a special version of the Realwear HMT. And as you can tell, I could wear a hard hat right now without any problems. Also, what is good about this? This is ruggedized. So it is very stable. It could fall down without any problem, without you having to worry about it breaking anytime soon. So especially for on-site applications, this will be extremely useful also because it's dust-proof and water resistant. And the battery is going to last for one full shift, and if it does not, then you can simply exchange the battery. Let me show you that right now. So here, you would simply have to open this here, and here, you simply get the battery out, exchange it with a new one, and then you're good to go for another 8 hours. All right, probably you're wondering, how is this actually being used and how would the engineer use that tablet that he sees in that visor? Well, everything is voice controlled. And this voice control, it works so well. Let me simply show you that now. All right, now I'm streaming what I see here in the visor to my desktop PC into the Realwear Explorer, a software that comes with the device for PC and Mac. So now you see what I can see. So what you see right now, this is the main menu. And I simply want to show you how well the voice recognition works. My programs. And now I can navigate by moving my head, which is pretty cool. Barcode reader. And now the camera starts. And as you can tell, if I had a barcode to read, I could do that now. Navigate back. Okay, my camera. Take photo. Okay, I just took a photo of the competition. Record video. All right, so this is it. This is so easy. You can record a video. Stop recording. Navigate back. All right, my files, my media, camera, item 1, show help, hide help, select item 1. Okay, so this is now the video. Navigate home. All right, as you can tell, the voice recognition really works well and you can easily use the device simply by using your voice. And if you don't want to use English, there's lots of other languages and the voice recognition really works as well. I've tried it with Chinese and also with German and it just works as well. So you simply have to press here long on the button. There's a button on the right and then it simply cycles through the languages: Spanish, French, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, and so on and so forth. So the person who's wearing that, he or she can simply choose the language that he or she wants: Russian, Thai, Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and here German, and yeah, let me go back to English. As you could tell, this works really well, and the HMT One is a very versatile headset, a very versatile head-mounted tablet. And for your company, it might even be better than the HoloLens 2, right? Because it's available and it's very versatile, can play back Android APKs, and that is definitely a good thing. Now, what I didn't show you right now is the remote assistance and how well it works here with the HMT One. Actually, what I can do, I can even offer you live demos. Live demos where me and my partners can show you how this can work for your use case, for your company. And if you're interested in that, please do get in touch with me. All the contact details are down in the description of this video. Please do let me know what kind of company you would need that for, what kind of use case, and then I can connect you with the right people who will give you a free live demonstration of this functionality. And in general, if you're wondering how VR and AR can help your company to optimize workflows, then watch this channel. Or if you need my help, get in touch with me. I'm working as a company consultant exactly in that field. So all my contact details are down in the description of this video. And the first session is going to be completely free. So simply drop me an email and we can go from there. Alright, and that's it for this video. I really hope it was interesting for you to learn about the Realwear HMT One. It's a headset that is not so in the media like the HoloLens 2, but honestly speaking, in actual real-life companies, this is being used way more than the HoloLens 2 at this moment in time, and I hope I could show you that for some good reasons. That's everything that I got for this video. Again, please do get in touch with me if you want a demo, a remote assistance demo of this year with the Realwear HMT One and remote assistance. And in general, if you enjoy this content, then give it a thumbs up and of course, subscribe to this channel. I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.